Previously, if you wanted to insert a logo from the internet into Microsoft Word, you'd first open a browser to search for the desired logo, then download it and insert it into Microsoft Word. Now, in Microsoft Word 2019, you can directly search for and insert logos from the internet. It's very easy. Watch this tutorial to the end to learn how. Before that, subscribe to this channel to get notifications of new videos from us, and also click the like button if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you. First, make sure your computer or laptop is connected to the internet. Then, open the Word document where you'll insert the logo. Then, go to the Insert menu and select Picture. Two image source options will appear, this device and online pictures. Since we'll be taking the logo directly from the internet, we'll select Online Picture. A new window will appear, where you can find the logo you want to insert into your Word document. Once you've found it, click on the logo and click Insert, and the logo will automatically appear in your Word document. So, how easy is it? Hopefully, this tutorial is helpful for everyone. See you in the next video.